We got a hive removal at Chick-fil-A.
Suited and booted for Chick-fil-A. We got a hive right in that street over there.
Let's go get some eyes on them.
Look at their festooning, so they're definitely making wax. So they're gonna draw all this wax out that's in here.
So we got our queen, right?
We got our queen, we got the bees flying in there, they're fanning pheromones. They're humming real loud, so I think we got her scooped up in here. Then we're gonna put this on the ladder, get the rest of those bees to crawl into that space, and then
What's up?